This is the MJX16210 upgraded Hypergo Brushless RC car. This is the Hypergo RC car upgraded using the aluminum alloy fragile set. In the previous video, I upgraded the ESC of this car to a Hobbywing Quicrun ESC. Importantly, I purchased all of this through AliExpress, which has over 150 million active buyers. That include this Hypergo RC car, the Hobbywing ESC, the aluminum alloy fragile set upgraded feature in the video, and even part of my PC. All the links are provided in the description below. Additionally, you will find several promo codes there in the description.
Scrolling through the deals, what a sight to see. Everything you need delivered globally. From gadgets to gears and sounds so fine. AliExpress shopping, saving every time. AliExpress, the world at your door. Millions of choices, you'll keep coming back for more. Deals that amaze, prices you'll adore. Shop it, love it, AliExpress forevermore.
Let's see how to purchase these items. To buy, all you need to do is follow in the link provided in the description. Select the required parts, enter your shipping address and payment details. Don't forget to use promo code provided in the description to get a special discount.
Just one click. RC cars to tools that do the trick. Promo codes
After that, simply click play now.
AliExpress, the savings you can't ignore.
First, let's unbox and see what metal parts are included. This aluminum alloy fragile set its top-notch quality. Moreover, it is compatible with all Hypergo RC car models shown in the video. To detach the hard plastic parts of the car and install the metal parts, you will need an Allen key set, a screwdriver, a H-socket cross switch for removing the wheels. Follow the steps shown in the video to remove the parts. Before removing any parts of the RC car, the receiver and battery should be removed. installing the metal parts isn't as straightforward as removing the plastic parts. Some areas where the metal parts need to be installed can be unclear. For this, you can use the user manual of the Hypergo RC car to identify the exact spots where the metal parts should be installed. Follow the step-by-step instruction in the video and properly install the parts. When installing the metal parts, use the screws provided with them. When attaching the metal parts to plastic parts, use the screws that were previously in place. Refer to the user manual for guidance. Once all the metal parts are installed, it looks like this. Awesome, isn't it? I will also include links to metal part for other brand in the description. If not, feel free to leave a comment. I hope you learned something for this video. If you like video like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and share with the others.